happy birthday to me. Let's show you what I got. This is the very first thing. Also, you guys are gonna be gang. Hey cuties! Mwah! Ooh, hey, hit that note. I am a pirate today, army. I've always wanted to wear scarves and I am the worst at wearing them. I think honestly my head shape sucks, my ears stick out, but you know what? Today I was like, I don't care. I'm putting it on because my roots are insane. And I found a shirt to match, so I'm like giving like Halloween pirate, like going to the club Halloween pirate. But you know what? This is my birthday vlog. No one can say anything. You guys will say something. So I was spoiled this birthday. You guys, one of the presents, insane. Insane. One of the most insane presents I've ever shown on camera. Like ever. It's insane. I'm so excited to share with you guys. Ah! Now, people always say, I want to preface this by saying I'm not bragging. You're showing a bunch of stuff that people got you. You're bragging, okay? So I guess I'm bragging, girl. Hey, this is annoying. This is really annoying me. I'm not bragging about that, girl. I think my ears are too Dumbo-like and it's like, help with the scarf. I looked up on TikTok like some how to tie a scarf and shit like that, and I feel like it looked easy. All these girls were like na 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 na. There was like background music playing. It's like wish upon a star, and they were like whoosh, whoosh, and then their like makeup was like whoosh, and then they just like effortlessly put it on. I was like I like couldn't breathe. I put my head upside down like this, and it like my throat was like half closed. I'm like, let's get into it. First, before anything, I want to thank you guys for all the birthday shout outs, for all the birthday love on my vlog, on my TikTok, on my Instagram, all over social media. You guys were giving me outpour happy birthdays. I love you guys so, so much. You are my #1 supporters in my life, and I thank you guys so much. Thank you. Mwah. Okay, I'm gonna start off with what I got myself first. Let's get that out of the way. I always like buy myself something nice for my birthday. Honestly, I really don't need anything. So I was like stumped. I'm like, what do I buy myself? Like, I don't know. Like, I really don't know. So I bought myself a birthday outfit. If you guys watch the vlog channel, you guys can see that. But basically it was this dress, nothing crazy. It was like $20. Like I got the shoes as well. And then like an earring set, like all together, it was like under $50. Like, or it was probably like $50. Like, it's fine. I just wanted something like, anyways, it wasn't some like dramatic birthday. By the way, I'm 35. Hey, I'm level 35. Okay, that's it. Whatever. And literally, as a 35-year-old, the other thing that I wanted was a Labubu. So these are already opened. This one I opened on the vlog channel. You guys can go see that if you want. And this one I opened on TikTok. So go follow me on TikTok if you guys want to see that one. It's a birthday present to me to make you guys go all over the internet. Go to all these parts, okay? So thank you, me. That's what I got myself. Okay, now my fiance's insane. Insane. Okay, so he gets me a birthday cake every year, and this year he's like, I'm not getting you a birthday cake this year, partially because of what your mom got you, and partially because I didn't have time. He's like, he's been so busy. I was like, you do not have to. I don't expect, you know, like the one thing is like, just because you get somebody something every year, like I hate when people expect that. Also as a person, like I would never expect that, even if it did happen every year. You know what I mean? Like a present is from the heart, and like, anyways, you guys are like, shut the fuck up and just say what it is. But basically he spent way too much money on my gift, like insane, and it's like the most thoughtful I can't. Okay, first of all, he took me out for a beautiful dinner, and that was absolutely beautiful. We went to a place called Taverna and had gorgeous Italian food. Again, if you want to see anything I did on my birthday weekend, I'm just gonna link that vlog down below and you guys can just see it all. So you can put a video to the words I'm saying, okay? He also got me these beautiful roses. They are actually still alive and still doing well downstairs in the kitchen. It's been like almost a month. I'm like, okay, so they are beautiful and they just brighten up. They kind of look like my nails right now, like pink and yellowy and stuff like that. Amazing. He got me this gorgeous birthday card, and he got me this. I have been wanting one of these. I did not think he was gonna get this for me. So this box is like so annoying, but this is a skin rejuvenating LED light mask. Okay, so I've been having a little bit of skin issues, skin breakouts. Sorry, this top has a mind of its own, and so do my boo-boos, so we're not having that happen. Okay, so basically this is what this looks like. It looks like, it kind of looks like the Cowardly Lion in The Wizard of Oz. Ah, my God, I haven't used it yet. These are not cheap, so I was like not gonna buy one of these for myself. But this is what it looks like. I want to be a little careful with it. It's a reusable face mask basically, and you plug it in, you charge it, and it has red light therapy. There's literally like a remote with it, a charging thing, and if you see on the back here, let me just hold this so everything doesn't go flying out. There's all these different colors of therapy. I am so most concerned about the red light therapy. Like that is iconic, but it has all these different ones as well. And yeah, you just like carefully put it on. on and you look like the Cowardly Lion. It kind of looks like a ball sack right here too. I'm like, hey girl. I was so impressed that he got this. I was like, okay. So we went out for dinner and everything like that. And then he surprised me with this. Wait. I wish he would have got my reaction on camera. I was screaming. I also thought that it was fake. I was like, there's no way. There's no way. So it was literally this piece of paper. Okay. So I was like, okay, like, is it, I don't know, is it like a note? Because I love getting like handwritten notes. He was like, okay, so this, it has like multiple parts to it, but this is the only thing that I have. And I was like, I was so confused. I opened it and I was like, this is what it is. So it's a picture of the Breezy Bowl, which is Chris Brown's upcoming tour. I think he's actually just started the tour in the UK right now. And it was just this. These aren't tickets or anything like that. It was just this. So I don't know like what he was implying with this. There's no way he would have bought me tickets because it's nowhere near me. Okay, there's only like 2 or 3 dates in Canada and they are like the other side of Canada. They're nowhere near me. Like it would take days to drive there or like a couple hours to fly. But still, like I was like, what? Like it wasn't just like a concert in the city or something like that. This is like a traveling thing. He bought us VIP tickets to the Breezy Bowl. We're literally like 3rd row. I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm like crying. I was like, this is a joke. This is a joke. Breezy Bowl tickets. I'm sick. I'm going to be like, hey, Chris Brown, here I am. I'm a pirate. I won't be dressed like a pirate. Help, what do I wear? What the hell's going on? And so the other part of the gift was an Airbnb and flights to Ontario. Like, what is happening? I was like, there is no way. Like, what? How is it? This is like the most incredible, insane, most like, I was not expecting this whatsoever birthday present at all. Like, I love him so much. I'm so lucky. Like, Austin is amazing and I can't. So if I have any cuties in Ontario, I will see you guys in a few months. I will be vlogging the whole thing. I will be taking TikToks the whole time. Taking TikToks? What am I, 35 years old? I'm so giddy, I'm so excited, and I love him beyond belief. Like, screw a birthday cake. Okay, so moving on. It's really hard to move on after that because there's so much I want to say, but I will definitely be, like I said, vlogging it and sharing with you guys, but I was just like, I couldn't even speak. I was like, this is not real life. Okay, so I thought this was really funny. So on my actual birthday, you guys saw the vlog, I went out and I bought myself a birthday outfit and I saw these really cute Playboy sunglasses. I was like, I'm gonna buy them for myself. And I didn't take a bag and I literally dropped them somewhere, either in the mall or in the parking lot or somewhere. And I was like, oh my God. I wasn't upset. I was like, whatever, like it's fine. But it's just like annoying. And I was like, it's my birthday, whatever. So I was telling one of my friends that I was like, it's so freaking annoying. I was like, somebody got a free pair of sunglasses, LOL, and I was explaining them or whatever. Anyways, he showed up at my house and literally, not the ones on the ground, but he went and bought them for me, and these are the ones. He got them right. So this is just such a cute little gesture here. So these were the sunglasses that I was talking about. If you know, you know. They look like that. They're so extra. They would look so cute with this look right now. Like, I'm giving hello. But these are the sunglasses. They have a little Playboy. Here, let me zoom. Little Playboy. The ring light is not okay with this, and I love them. They're like classy and big. I had another one of my besties take me out for lunch and gave me a Starbucks gift card, but I've used that already. Then what my parents got me, so my parents took me out for also a very beautiful supper. It was amazing. We went to a place called Chop. I had a gorgeous fish dish. They also gave me money in the card, which I spent. Then they gave me a box of crumble cookies of the week. So they looked like this and they were beautiful. And on the box it said happy birthday. So I thought that was really nice. And then they also got me some birthday cupcakes that said happy birthday. One was chocolate, one was vanilla, and Austin and I shared those on my birthday in bed, and they were so good. And then my mom got me some Oreo cakesters because she usually gets me like a big bag of candy, if you know, you know, and like limited edition sweets and stuff like that. And she was like, I wanted to do something different this year and do like more like cake and birthday cake themed. So she got me these, like, I love golden Oreos way better than regular Oreos, so she remembered that. Oh, and then she got me, or they got me, a card together. That's my mom, my dad, my brother all together in one. But literally, a happy birthday is just enough. That's why I always mention dinner, because like dinner is enough, and like even more. Like it's I appreciate it so much. So the very last thing is from my grandparents. So you guys know that my grandparents send me money every single year, and this year I got something fun. Okay, so I ordered something with it, with their money, with my birthday money. I have not opened it yet. Yet, I said yet. But I will open it with you guys. Why would I hold scissors this way? Not a good sign. What the hell? What the helly? What the helly on? What? Oh, I know what this is. Ahaha. Okay, I bought this is my very first time buying myself. Well, it's not me, it's a gift, but choosing a charm for myself. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna take a look at the inside. Okay, there's the little charm. I wasn't gonna go to the mall because I wasn't sure what they had there, so I just went online. Where's my bracelet? You guys are probably like, you're not even wearing it. Well, I wear it pretty much every day. This is like my everyday jewelry. I've had it for a while, and just like this year, I've been wearing it almost every day. Like, I shower with it, I sleep with it, I go in the hot tub with it, I tan with it. I don't know if these are things that are good with it. But I just took it off a couple days ago because I did. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna put it back on probably today. But anyway, this is what I have. This is the bracelet that I have. And the one that my grandparents got me, I sent this also to them. I was like, look what you got me. You got me a charm. And my grandma said it was absolutely beautiful. So I want to see it in person. Okay, look at it, look at it. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of this bag. Okay, this is gonna be kind of hard to show because it's so small. So here's the charm. I'm trying to get it like perfectly zoomed in here. There, it looks like this, and it's a little ice cream lolly type thing. It looks like ice. It looks like icy, and then there's like a little bit of glitter or jewels down there. So beautiful and so me, and I think it would look good on here, even though the colors are gonna clash. You guys know me. Like, I clash with literally everything. I don't care what things look like. My hands are 2 different colors of nails, for Jesus. I really don't care what looks good together. What looks good is what you think looks good. And that's what looks good. If you feel like you look good, you do look good. Look at my 5 head poking out. Look at this. Look at, I look like a real pirate now, like getting some rum. Me after this video, just kidding. I want some booty. Okay, whatever. Let's stop that. That is what I got for my birthday, for my 35th birthday. I love you guys so much, and thank you again for all the sweet wishes, and even just like liking this video as a birthday present to me. Literally, like staying through it, going to my vlog, my birthday vlog, and watching that one, that's a birthday present to me. So thank you guys for always supporting me, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Cheers to level 35.